Here we go. Let's see what they do now. Let's see what they do now. There he is. There he is. Come on, buddy. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you. Go. Go home. Well, there's the other one. See? That's the little ones. The mom was probably looking for them. Say hi, guys. You're gonna be on Facebook and YouTube. I think they want to stay there. They don't want to leave now. Look at that. They like milk sticks. Jeez, that's the stick that I fished things out of there. I found up to 10 drills in that dumpster one day. But now they want to bogart the place. Ain't that something? Time to go home. There you go. Go ahead. You gotta jump. And he's gone. There he goes. See you later. Bye-bye. There goes the other one. Oh shit, there's 3 of them in there. I thought it was only 2. That's what I thought there was 3. Maybe more. They're all little ones too. Look at that. Let's see what happens when we hit the one. Let's see if they get scared. Oh, yeah, the other 2 gone. There they go again. Yeah, that might be big for today. You can tell the little ones. They're just a couple, probably a year old. They don't know what to do now. They have to get out. Yeah, see, they don't know how to get out of here, so it's time to go. See that? Yep. Okay, time to go. Y'all better come on. I'm leaving. Let's go. See ya. You gone. Yep, there comes the other one. 1, 2, 3. Yep. He said, well, since y'all guys don't want to come, I'm getting out of here. See that? It's time to go see where Mama at. Let's give him some inspiration. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep, give them inspiration. They stay cold, they stay still like this. You better go. Oh, you're gonna fall. Oh, oh. Look like little bears. Come on, man, let's go. One's gone. Oh shit, where'd he go? He left. He's gone. He left us. Oh my god. Oh, and he's gone. There it is. Yep. See you later. Oh shit, I'm stuck now. Oh shit, get that out of here. See, they're babies. They don't know. See, he's trying to climb up the wall. Look at him. Look how he climbs up. Look at him. Look at that sucker. Wow, look at that, man. Nature at its best. No way to go but up. And now they're gone. Look at him stand. That's Bryce. Look at him go. He's scared. The other one's gone. Look at him go. He's gone. He's like, come on, man. Got him inspired. He took off. And he's gone. And there he goes. There he goes. Until next time, we'll see ya.